Hello everyone, welcome to part 111 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we are going to show the list of user orders in this part. Okay, so in the last part we have seen that the user able to place the COD order. So I will open here the browser. Okay, so here you can see the first of all I'm going to log into the user account. We have logged in with the Amit 100 at the rate of uofmail.com. Okay, this is the account that we have used to place the order. And now see, we are going to we will go here in account, and here you can see the my orders. So here we are going to show the all the user orders, like the all the orders that the user placed. Okay, so we are going to show the recent orders at the top, and we are going to show all the orders that the user placed. Okay, so list of orders we are going to show. So let's start working on this one, and we're going to follow the instruction that you can find under video. And first thing is that I'm first going to open the account.blade.php file. Okay, we are going to make a similar page for order like orders.blade.php file, where we are going to show the user orders. But first of all, we are going to make the common file for this dashboard. Okay, in which we are going to show these links, so that we can put the same things in all the pages, like account.blade, orders.blade, password.blade, means all the like the update password we have done, change password we have done, and orders and wish list in future. So that's why we are going to make the common page like account sidebar dot blade.php. So I'm going to save this file as I'm going to save it with the account sidebar. Okay, because at the same location we are going to keep this file, and I'm going to open account blade file once again. And here this section, you can see this dashboard section, I'm going to copy and paste here. So I'm going to keep it here. Sorry, I will remove this all and will keep it here like this. Okay, so here you can see the dynamic links for all, for user account, user orders, which list we have not done so far, but update password we have done also. Okay, so and this we are going to include here. Okay, so for including it, we are going to include it like this. Okay, so here we are going to replace this code. You can see this code we can replace, and here we can include this file. And we are going to do this for all other blade files, like say similar thing we are going to use with the orders blade file that we are going to create now. Update password, for update password as well we are going to do this similar thing. I'm going to open the update password, and here also wherever we are using but first make sure, yeah, this is the update password of admin. I'm going to open update password from here. This one, chain password, sorry, its file name is the chain password. So I'm going to replace it here as well. So the similar thing I'm going to do, this one, copy this one, and will replace it here as well. Okay, so now we are going to, if any change is required, like if we are going to make this wish list link dynamic, then we can just simply require to change it here. Okay, so now we are going to create the controller for displaying the order controller. So order controller, where we are going to keep all the order related functions. Okay, so that's why we are going to create this order controller at front. So we are going to run this artisan command for our project. So I'm going to open here my project, XAMPP, SEDocs, personal, project 11. Here I will right click services, new terminate folder. Here I'm going to run this command, so that I can able to create the order controller at front for front. Okay, so order controller have been created. I'm going to open the order controller. So here so after this I'm going to make the route for displaying the orders. Okay, so where it is, so say user order. So fine, so I'm so this one, this route, we are going to create this route in web.php file. So here here we are going to show this one, and here you can see that I have made this route as I have used the class OrderFrontController, because we have the order controller. We are going to make the order controller for the admin as well in future, so that's why in advance I have created this one as order controller, and I have used the alias OrderFrontController is our alias. Okay, so the thing that we are going to add this here as well. See, order name is the order controller under front, but we have used the alias for the order controller, as we are going to create the order controller once again for the admin panel. And you can see we have created these aliases for all the front controllers, so we will keep it same, so that it will be easier for understanding. So that's why we will keep it order front controller for order controller, and this order front controller we have used here in our route. Okay, and in all the other routes, in all the other routes located at the front, we are going to use this order front controller for order related things. So let's continue, and now we are going to create the order function. Okay, so here we are going to create the order function, and we are going to show all the user orders in array. So I'm going to check once that the all the user orders have been displayed or not. Okay, so I'm going to open here my Safari, and here I'm going to okay, so I'm going to refresh here. Now I can click on this link because this link is dynamic. Okay, so some issue is here. Front layout account sidebar not found. Oh, so one thing to see, this account sidebar we have not placed at the right place. This is not the right place. This one we are going to keep it not under user account. We are going to keep it under layout. Okay, so I am going to move it sources, views, front, user. So I am going to move it like this account sidebar. I am going to move it from here to here, this layout file. Okay, so this is the better position for keeping this file. So that's why this error has come, and now we are going to check once again, and I'm going to refresh, and now you can see it's fine. So I can click on this my orders. My order is now dynamic, and I can click here, and I can see. Okay, so we are required to add the order model to this file. Okay, so that's why this error is coming, though it's located at the last step. Okay, we are required to add, oh I have forgotten. Okay, so no issue, we are going to add here use models, and I'm going to add here the order model. I'm going to include it at the top, and now I'm going to check it. Okay, still it is giving the another error. We are going to add the auth as well. Okay, so we are using the auth as well. Now it is displaying, see, two of the orders we have placed so far, and both the orders are coming. Okay, so the order details are coming here, but we also require the order product details so that we can show the order product details as well. So for that we are going to create the relation between the order and order products. One order can have the multiple products. Okay, means the user can place the order with multiple products. So the relation here is the has many. So we are going to define the has many relation between the order and order products. So this has many relation we are going to add under order model. Okay, so we will add this relation between the order and order products in order model. So we are going to add this relation here. So after adding this relation, we are going to include this relation order underscore products here in our query. Simply we will add this relation here, and then we can see the order product. See, in the next step we have just included this relation. Okay, so we can now see, I'm going to see it once again, and you can see the order products is also coming along with the order details. We have the product details as well. You can see like this particular order is having the two products, and this particular order is also having the two products, so we are displaying the order products as well. Okay, so now we can move to the next step, and we can display okay, so I can just replace this function so that we can simply return this orders array to the orders blade file that we are going to create in our next step. We are going to create the orders blade file here under users. I'm going to save it this files a file as orders.blade.php. Okay, so I'm going to copy the content from account.blade.php file to make our task easier, and here we are going to replace this part where we are going to display all the orders in the for each loop. Okay, here up till here it is fine, and after that we can replace this part up till div, or we can even copy this one complete and we can replace the complete div here. Okay, so that we can able to display all the user orders. So I'm going to replace these two divs. Okay, that's it, and now I'm going to check that how it looks. So here okay, so see, another one more thing, we have not see one more folder we are going to create here. I'm going to create here the orders folder. Okay, so here I'm going to move this file I'm going to move it from users to orders. We are going to keep it separate. Okay, so here, so that it will be more clear to us, the if we call it as the folder structure must be accurate. Okay, so now once again I'm going to check here, and so this time you can see the both the orders have been displayed here along with the order ID. You can see the order has been placed on August 28 2024, and we can see the main details of the order, like the payment method is COD, total items are 2, and the grand total is rupees 2880. So finally we able to see the order details, and the status is new. Okay, so the orders details, orders are list of user orders are, yeah, are coming here. Okay, so in the next part we are going to see the order details, in which we are going to see the order product details. Okay, along with the order images of the product. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in the next part, so please stay tuned for the next part, in which we are going to click on this one and we'll see the order details. So please stay tuned for the next part. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.